Hello, and welcome to Magic Feather Production. I'm a fan of disc golf. These are discs, not frisbees. I wouldn't recommend using them as frisbees. You got your standard driver, your putter, and your mid-range. I figured since I've been doing a lot of props and costumes, why not do something else? Otherwise, it's just gonna get boring. I made this. Now sometimes baskets can be a little expensive. However, they can be cool because you can take them wherever you want and go. These are stationary. I made 3. This one's my favorite. Let me show you its details. This one is concocted full of multiple junk, like a lot. PVC pipe. What's grounding it in there to make it stable isn't the PVC pipe, it is a T-post. Zinc chain and some other chain that you can find for the basket. Tires. These are for your shelves. I put 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Casing for a round fan. It can be plastic, so what I did was I wrapped it around with some duct tape and got some Flex Seal and put it on there so it won't deteriorate. This one's the first I've made. I'm surprised it still exists. What I did for the ground is a little different. I put cement on a tire, metal tire railing, and then I got a metal pipe and then put the metal pipe through here. The metal pipe goes up to about right there, so that was the problem. This one is the smallest. I want to get rid of it and make one with you guys. So, what you need: a T-post or something heavy, and a big, large PVC pipe, about the same size as the internal barrel as Big Boss, my homemade potato cannon. I see one. Yeah. Boom. Waist height, I could cut it about like maybe 6 inches down. Then after that, I can put the shelf arms, all 4, inside. Then we can get to going on cutting that tire up. Some chain. Got the zinc plated one because it's easy to fix on and fix off. It's cheaper and it doesn't rust. You're also gonna need some shelf arms, about 4 of them. Next, you're gonna need something heavy. Yeah, that'll do. Ow. Now for the top, I'm gonna improvise because I don't have a fan brace. It doesn't have to be something round. It can be something flat like this, rectangular. You can always cut it. Or you could just put the chains in a circular way and then just put this on top of the basket, and then your basket will be complete. And the last thing you need is a tire. You can get tires actually anywhere. In fact, tires on the side of the road aren't just blown out tires, they're actually tires that people didn't want to pay to get rid of because it's quite expensive. Social media marketing, and you could see free used tires and just go on by and take those. So that's what these are. I used this angle grinder to make little cuts in here, and it was making smoke as if I lit this thing on fire. So what I did was I got the sharpest knife I own, sharpened it a little extra, made little divots with the angle grinder, and a little elbow grease. We got ourselves the beginning of a basket. Out with the old, in with the new. All right. And before we stick that in, we need to put these shelf arms in between this and the smaller PVC pipe, so we can put the homemade basket.
An hour later.
Jeez, man. That was nuts. Show you what I got so far. There's the basket right here. Here's the tire to keep the disc golf, the discs in there. The arms aren't completely the way they should be, but you know what? Nothing is perfect. So I measured the basket from the top to bottom. It has to be at least 4 feet. 3 chains on each corner. So that's 12 chains. Okay, what we need to do is we need to put this last chain on. Okay, we'll put this chain up on the basket like so. And then we'll wrap this chain around the rim of the other chains. I have some aluminum wire. I'm gonna cut it easy, make little chains like I did here. You know what I think it needs? Paint job. The only thing we have to do is test it out. Your homemade disc golf basket made completely out of trash. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.